Hello, welcome to Cadastral, parcel fabric editing uh, workflow to merge two parcels, two or more. We want to start out with the parcel editor toolbar, and we want to start an edit session. Then we want to create a new plan by selecting the drop down under the parcel editor by going to the plan directory. Then we want to create a new plan. And this is under the attributes tab is where you can set your basis of bearing. Um, Everything is set to default, which I leave to default. We go to the general tab to give it a name. We're going to call this merge parcels. The description if you'd like. And this is where your quadrant bearing, degrees, minutes, seconds, survey feet, acres. These are all the defaults. Sometimes you might want to change these up. Maybe go to radials instead of chords. Same here. You might want to do radius and arc length instead of radius and chord length. Sometimes that's helpful. So here's some various attributes that you can enter about the surveyor, basically the document. You can also create a field here or hyperlink to a document here if you'd like. And then just go ahead and hit apply and OK. Now we have the merge parcels plan. We want to right click on that and just make sure that everything is lit up properly, that you can see these options here. Okay, perfect. So what we'll do is we will go ahead and go to close and select our two parcels. And then we will select merge. And this is where you want to set your active plan. You can choose today, you can choose an attribute query, current map extent. The reason you're not seeing merge parcels in the current map extent is because we have not yet joined that to the parcel fabric. It also won't, you can query by name, but it won't show anything. So we need to create this data. So that's why I chose today, because we created this plan today and we want to set this as the active plan. We give it a name. Today we're going to call it merge parcels, since that's the workflow. And you'll notice you can either check the box to delete parent parcels, but we're not going to do that because we want to mark them as historic, and we want to keep these over here in the historic archives, right? So merge parcel will be the name. You can also change it to a new template. Let's say you're creating, you want to merge all these parcels into a subdivision, and you have a new subdivision plat. You can merge all of these parcels, and then you can change your template here to a subdivision. But in this case, we're just merging two tax parcels together. So we'll say OK. And that should complete fairly quickly. And as you can see, the parcels have been merged. The lines, everything is merged. However, if you go to your historic parcels, you'll notice that it does keep it historic to show what was there previously. Next, we want to come down to the parcel editor, make sure our plan directory is still set as active. Still active, there's merge parcels. Excellent. You can also drop this down and choose current map extent and see if it shows up. So now that we have created data under that specific plan, you'll notice that merge parcels now shows up here because it's now data, this boundary. So, or you can just say all or today. I like to stick to today. Now we can open the parcel details dialog box and just review everything. And these are attributes that will be updated by the editor. whether it's a new parcel number, anything that you did not update in your plan directory. If you did not update in the plan directory here, under those properties, then you could just edit those over here in the attribute table. So hit close. Then you'll want to go ahead and save your edits and stop editing. And there you have your merged parcels. And that's all for merging parcels. There's various ways to merge parcels. This is the most simplest, and I would say the quickest. And as you can see, it maintains your control points for connectivity. And that's it. So, thanks.